My name is Jonathan Bransford. I am going to demonstrate how to record and edit automation in your DAW. I use Pro Tools 10. I'm using a track that I've created. There's many layers to this track, as you can see, from a beat to rim comp, all kinds of different things. Crash, percussion, a clap, a triangle, chant, and then lead synths, trumpets, synth leads, all the different instruments. So you can see here I've already written some automation. If I expand my window view, you'll see more automation. So this is volume automation, and this can also be shown here, waveform. Go to volume, and it emulates it over on top of the waveform. So you can see both without this window. And then I've got some panning effects also that you'll see here, and these are pan windows. So you can select whichever automation you want to view, or all of them, by selecting here, volume, mute, and pan automation. And again, you can add more windows as you need beneath the track. So for my purposes, I'm just going to show you some quick volume automation. How I did this. There's a couple different ways to do this. So first of all, I can delete that automation in the volume. We're just going to end up with a straight line. So anyway, I came up with an uneven line. No big deal. We'll just straighten that out. And I can actually grab the entire thing and bring it down, and that's just a mouse position. In the track height, it changes to different tools because I've got multi-tools selected, or smart tool. Okay, so anyway, as I play the track, there are two ways I can do this. I can go to my window and I can pull up my automation window. That will allow me to choose what parameters I'm going to record in. Volume, pans, send pan, send volume, send mute, and mute. Now your send volumes and send pan and send mute are going to be for basically your sends to your effects or to your side chains, or, well, they're all effects. So it's your send volumes, and then your track volumes, pan, and height. Okay, what we're working with today is track volume. So there's a couple ways I can do this again. If I go to volume, and then on the track I want to change the volume on, which is this rise effects, I'm going to change that to right. And that will allow me to write the automation on that, which I also am going to do by writing the fader on that rise effects. Okay, so you'll see here I'm going to go ahead and play. It's got a red line where the volume starts. That is going to be right here. And as I move forward, where it gets to the part where I want it to climb, I'm just going to raise my fader and you're going to see it go up. Ready? Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to drop that back down because I just want it back at normal, and I'm going to do the same thing again here. Okay, I'm going to do this again at right. And when I hit play, I'm going to raise that rise effect. Okay? And that's just that sound that you hear, that synth. So that comes through pretty cool and clear. The other way to do it is I can hand draw it in, and I just take a pencil, hold, draw, boom, there it is. Hold, draw, there it is. I can do that for my sends, my volume, my pans, and then it will follow anything that I do. That is my demonstration. I hope you all understood, and I hope you enjoy it. Here's to writing for automation.